Welcome back, friends. In the previous session, as we had discussed about the Hadoop configuration for Hadoop installation, and at the end we found that all the daemons were up and running. Only we had some doubts with the user interface that we get after Hadoop is installed up and running. Okay. So in that case you get this as the first page, like it's like the home page that you get after the Hadoop installation and after giving this URL. Now when you click on browse the file system, you can find that there is one temp directory that has got created by default. Okay, so all the logs that are going to get created will be stored under this /tmp directory. Okay, so this is a directory, okay, view of HDFS. Now you need to know that what is this root. Don't get confused. That this root is the Hadoop root. Okay, so don't think that this is the same root of the file system. Okay, we have our local that is Windows, that is Linux file system, which is different, that is root, and we have Hadoop installed on top of this local file system, so that will be having another root. Fine. Now in this session we will be dealing with some of the commands that will help you to work with the Hadoop file system. Okay, so let us go to the terminal. Okay, so if you want to check out the contents of the root of Hadoop, then you need to give the command hadoop file system -ls and mention Hadoop's root. So it will show you that it has found that one item, that is /temp directory. Just now we had seen at the user interface, that is on the browser, that there is one directory by name temp under root. Fine. Now we will just check out how to create a file and store it in the directory in the Hadoop file system. Okay, we will just check out how to create simple files, how to create folders inside the Hadoop file system. Okay, so we'll just make use of we'll just create a simple file by name, say, test.txt. okay, we'll just give some command, some instructions, some text information. I like the process of Hadoop installation. Okay, we'll just come out of this, just say cat test.txt. Oops, I didn't get anything. I'll just once again create say test.txt. okay, say I like Hadoop installation. Okay, so let me just clear the screen. Say cat test.txt. okay, you have this one line statement available under test.txt. okay, now we'll do what is we'll store this into the root of Hadoop. Okay, so the command for storing is say hadoop file system put test.txt into / that is root. So put is the command that will allow you to, put is the option that will allow you to put this test.txt into slash, that is the Hadoop root. Okay, so now you just check out the contents of Hadoop root. We have file system -ls slash. Yeah, now it is saying that 2 items are found. Okay, now we'll just check out at the browser level how this appears. Okay, go to file system. Yeah, you have test.txt that has got created. When you click on test.txt, you'll see the contents of test.txt over here. Okay, now if you want to create a folder, okay, I'll just clear this screen. Say Hadoop file system -mkdir, make directory, say /first. Okay, so you are creating a directory by name /first under Hadoop roots. Yeah, so the file, the folder first is created. Now let us move this test.txt into /first. Okay, so I'll do what is Hadoop file system -copy /test.txt into /first. Yeah, okay, now the test.txt has been copied into /first. Okay, we'll see now the contents of root. Say Hadoop file system ls Hadoop file system -ls slash. Okay, now you have 3 contents. Here I have copied test.txt into first. Okay, now let us see the contents of first. Okay, so let us get into Hadoop file system, say hyphen, say ls /first. Okay, so it will show me the contents of first folder. Yeah, so you can see that there is test.txt which was been copied from root into first folder of Hadoop root. Okay, so let us go to the browser and see the same. We'll go back, click on browse the file system. Yeah, you have one new folder getting created by name first. Under first you have test.txt which was copied from this /test.txt. Okay, so when you click on test.txt, yeah, the contents are displayed over here again. Now we'll just check out. Now you saw that how the information from local file system were been moved to this Hadoop file system. On the same lines, we'll just check how to get the contents of Hadoop file system and get dumped into the local console. Okay, so we go to terminal again. If you want to get the contents of test.txt directly from Hadoop, you can say Hadoop file system get, fine, get /test.txt. okay, and I will say in this current directory, there is bin directory, I'll create a file by name test1.txt. okay, now I say cat test1.txt. yeah, okay, so here I will create test1.txt. okay, it will be created the moment I fire the Hadoop command, I first get the contents from slash test.txt and put it in test1.txt. So after that I just fire cat on test1.txt. Here is the output. Okay, now if you don't want to get the contents into the another file and after that making use of cat, if you want to make use of shortcut, that is instead of having a temporary directory to see the contents, you can always say Hadoop fs -cat, can make use of cat directly slash test.txt. Now the output will be displayed on the console. Yeah, here you can see the output. Okay, so I hope you have understood the way how we create text files or folders into the Hadoop file system, and also we saw how to get the contents of Hadoop file system and copy it into the local file system, as well as dump the output in at the console of the local file system. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.